Please, Baby, Please by Spike Lee and Tonya Lee Lewis, illustrated by Kadir Nelson. Go back to bed, baby, please, baby, please. Not on your head, baby, 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 please. Keep off the wall, baby, baby, please, baby. You share that ball, please, baby, baby, baby. Don't eat the sand, baby, 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 please. Now hold my hand, baby, baby, please, baby. It's time to go. Please, baby, please. Don't be so slow, baby, 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 please. Please eat your peas, baby, 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 baby. Don't be a tease, baby, baby, please, baby. Please don't splash, baby, baby, please, baby. No, in the trash, baby, 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 baby. Now you sleep tight, please, baby, please. Kiss me goodnight, mama, 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 please. Please, baby, please. One of my favorites.